pay 3% or 30% in taxes? Hi, Paul Morrow, Smart Financial. Do you know if you do a Roth conversion over 3 years, you can get away for 1% a year? You can convert 900,000 of your IRA to a Roth for about 3%. This isn't fantasy, this is financial reality. Get the most you can for your money. Don't pay 30% in taxes when you can pay just 3%. This is a magic trick that's really simple that everybody can do. You can pull this tax savings right out of a hat. Pay 3% to do these 3 Roth conversions over 3 years. Don't pay 30%. Save yourself $297,000 in taxes. Subscribe to the channel, forward this to your other friends that are over 59 years old. Follow us along on the channel, subscribe and download our Roth magic tricks. I'll see you again next time on Smart Financial.